Hi guys, in this video I'll be upgrading this. So let's get started. So just to clarify, I will be upgrading the storage, RAM and battery. For this task I will need my iFixit toolkit, a new SSD. This is a 128GB SSD, 2 sticks of RAM, and a brand new lithium-ion battery. I begin by removing the Torx screws from the back case. During the last few years, I have found my iFixit kit to be very useful. So if you are upgrading products on a regular basis like I am, it's worth it. Once open, I can clearly see the hard drive and RAM modules. Now that I've removed the hard drive, I can now install the SSD. There are 4 grommets which hold the SSD in place. Next, the removal and installation of the RAM modules. There are 2 tabs located on each end of the RAM module. This allows you to pop out each RAM module at a time. The next step is the removal of the battery. This battery was in desperate need of replacement. There are 5 screws that need to be removed. 2 at the top and 3 at the bottom. I've removed batteries from iPhones, iPads and Macs. Please make sure you know what you're doing. Do not damage the package. Now for the new battery. Again, be very careful with the package. All that's required now is to screw it all back into place and reattach the bottom case. And there we go, easy peasy. All I've got to do is to reformat the drive, reinstall macOS, and we're done. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.